Hello everyone, I'm Nandini from CAD NEST RR Nagar. So in today's session we are going to learn a few basic tools which are available in AutoCAD 2D. So we'll start up from here. So this is a drawing tool wherein you'll be having an available few shapes here such as line, polyline, circle. Under the circle you'll be having a few extra terms here like creating a circle with center with radius or center with diameter or circle in between the 2 points or circle in between the 3 points or the two tans along with your radius or all the three with the tan surrounding the circle. So these are the few basic options for the circle, and in the same way for arc also you have certain few options such as creating an arc using 3 points and creating an arc using center and start and end of an arc. In the same way you have different options for arc also. Apart from these shapes, we have a regular shape called as rectangle and polygon, whereas rectangle deals with the 4 sides and polygon you can specify the number of sides that you require. After this we have ellipse. Creation of ellipse is also of two types, and elliptical arc is one more option in addition to that. So ellipse can be created using center and 2 axis parts or specifying 2 axis with ends. So this is one more kind of creation of an ellipse, and elliptical arc using center and 2 axis arc. So this is an ellipse creation option. And later on we have a hatch term. So hatch is a term which is helpful for you to differentiate between the different section or different material being used in the construction of any particular structure. So all these things include like drawing tools. After this we have the sub drawing tools such as spline, spline in definite particular boundary, and then construction line, ray line. Construction line is a line which has no start point and no end point, and ray line is a line which has a start point but no end point. And then we have certain particular points to indicate the location, and then we have division of line. So division of this particular line can be done in two types. One is specifying how many number of parts we need, and another one is to define how many number of parts for a particular measurement we require. This is like dividing a particular single line into divisions without breaking in between, just specifying the measurements or specifying the number of parts required. And then next we have region. So region, it will be helpful for you in the creation of a particular specified region within the small shape which is already been created. Next, wipeout. Wipeout is a tool which is helpful for you to remove particular term from the display without deleting it. Okay, then we have 3D polyline. So 3D polyline which will be helpful for you in creation of a line command in 3D view. Right now we are in 2D view. And then we have helix. So even this will be helpful in 3D term. And then we have donut which has interior dia and exterior dia. And then we have the cloud also includes many number of different like shapes in the clouds, just in order to specify the particular region. So this is the draw tool we have right now. And then we have certain modifying tools here. So modifying tools will be helpful for you in creation of moving a particular object or rotating it in certain degrees or copying into number of terms or just getting a mirror image of that, or else stretching a particular term. And then we have scale option which enlarges or contracts based on the particular image that we have. In the same way we have array, that is a number of copies that we get, and then fillet, trimming options. So these are few arrays, explode, and we have offset terms. So all these things are like modifying terms which are being implemented to draw tools. So next we have annotation term. under annotation term, text part, adding a text to the particular object, which will be helpful for you to recognize it, and dimension, of course, specifying the units or the dimensions of a particular object, and this dimension are of different types. You can just go and then select which kind of a dimension you are measuring it. And then next we have leader term. So leader term, it will be helpful for you to pick a particular term and recognize it by indicating in terms of a text. Under this you can add a sub leader, or you can remove it, and then you can collect all the leaders into one line, and then you can make it into a one club. So this is leader term. And then last we have creation of table, which will be helpful for you to align all the components in terms of a numerical or in terms of alphabetical terms, so that you can indicate what are the components that are present in the project. So up to here we are done with the drawing tools, modifying tools and annotation tools. So in upcoming videos we'll understand what are the other basic tools which are available in the AutoCAD. Thank you.